Good morning, dear students. We warmly welcome all of you back to virtual schooling at Euroschool Airoli. We hope you had a restful break, and I must say that it is wonderful to have you all back. Although we are not able to welcome you back on campus for this new academic year yet, we are happy to enable your learning through virtual Euroschool and wish you all the very best for a successful and happy academic year ahead. We pray for the good health of you and your families. Please continue to take all the hygiene advice and precautions and stay safe. Over the last few months, you have engaged in learning on Argus and in some online classes. You have also displayed some exemplary behavior in helping at home and learning new skills. Your lockdown stories and the sharing of your Argus experiences have made us proud. While you enjoyed your break, your teachers and staff across Euroschools have continued to put in tremendous efforts to curate and further enrich virtual Euroschool for you. Today, we start with our academic session with great zeal after the summer break, and you have already been acquainted with the timetable for each day. A lot of effort has been made in managing resources, training, enabling technology, planning, and preparation of lessons in order that we can begin well today and can live up to the quality of learning outcomes as envisaged by our innovative curriculum and Euroschool's vision for you to discover yourself and reach your potential. Now, to discuss what your virtual school looks like, do pay attention to understand it clearly. Online or virtual classes is synchronous learning time. You will be attending online classes taken by your teachers along with all your classmates. These classes will be as per the timings shared with you and will be held on a licensed learning platform. The staff members have been trained with all the necessary security and technical settings that are required to plan and transact a seamless and safe classroom experience. Do attend these regularly and engage actively, giving it your 100%. Independent study and assignments on Argus is the asynchronous learning time for grades 1 to 10. Our Argus digital learning ecosystem is unique and created by Euroschool for its staff and students. You must take pride in it and make complete use of it to aid your learning process, as you have been doing in the past few months. You can do independent study, revision, assignments, additional practice, seek support, or indulge in enrichment activities at your own pace on Argus. Teachers will also guide you on this regularly. For you to be successful at virtual Euroschool, you will need to respect and follow some rules and guidelines that will guide you through virtual learning and optimize its outcome. These are also for the parents' attention and support as well. The login links that you will be using to attend the online classes have been informed to you through WebGenie in advance according to the timetable. If there are any changes in the same, an update will be sent. Keep in regular touch with WebGenie. Students are expected to be ready in school uniform for their classes every day with neat grooming. This will help you remain disciplined and focused and also assist the teacher in ensuring only Euroschool children are attending the class at a glance and hence take care of security aspects in a way. We suggest that students must have a light breakfast before they start their lessons. Punctuality is of vital importance in starting the class. You must log in at least 10 minutes before the first class and at least 5 minutes before every consecutive class. Transition time applicable to grades 1 to 10. The planning of lessons has been done with a gap of 10 minutes in between the sessions, similar to the transition time at school, and must be used to get ready for the next class. You can get up, move around, stretch yourself, and also check if you have the books needed for the upcoming class during the transition time. There are 2 breaks during the day, short break and lunch break. Use these breaks to have a quick snack or lunch and also use the restroom. Rejoin your classes in a timely manner after these breaks. You can keep a bottle of water nearby so that you don't have to ask for permission to leave your study space. We do not expect absenteeism from either our students and staff, and a daily record of attendance will be kept by the teachers. We request you to have a proper ambience for study, conducive to paying attention with a minimum disturbance and interruption by any other member of the family. The study space should be well lit, well ventilated, and the student must sit upright in an appropriate chair with the laptop or your chosen device placed on a table before you. All necessary stationery and books as required for the day must be kept at hand. For CCA activities like dance, PE or yoga, you must have enough space to practice or perform as per the instructions of the teachers. The teachers will teach and revise all the portions taught earlier through August in preparation for the assessments in July. These assessments are only for grades 3 to 8, and the dates and the portion will be shared with you soon. Apart from textual study, you are all encouraged to follow your hobbies after school hours and continue with your extended reading, music, dance, gardening or cooking or any other activity that you can do at home. Dear students, many of your parents are working from home and you would have noticed their exemplary work habits. We expect you to emulate positive work ethics and keep in mind that we depend upon your sincerity, integrity and digital responsibility that is expected of each one of you. Be accountable for your own learning, self-study and assessment. We count on you and rely on you for your best efforts to help us to tide over these unusual times and emerge wiser than before. There is some amount of online etiquette that is expected of every student at Euroschool. Remember to greet your teachers before and after the lessons. Keep your video on and microphone muted for security reasons and also a smooth, uninterrupted class experience. Follow the instructions given for asking questions or replying. Teachers will tell you about the raise hand feature and the unmute and chat options and when to use these appropriately. Avoid posting inflammatory or offensive comments online. Respect the privacy of others by not sharing personal information, photos or videos that another person may not want published online. Don't troll people in web forums or website comments by repeatedly nagging or annoying them. Don't swear or use impolite or offensive language. Such negative behavior online over email, chat, social media amounts to cyberbullying, which is not allowed and will call for consequences. I am sure all of you are sensitive and none of you will resort to bullying. Avoid replying to negative comments with more negative comments. Instead, break the cycle with a positive post. If someone asks a question and you know the answer, offer to help. Thank others who help you online. I am sure with following this regular routine, positive thinking and responsible behavior on your part, you will be a joy and a source of encouragement to your parents and teachers. I encourage you to give it your all and learn and enjoy your way to success. We miss you at school and hope to be in touch through the virtual medium till we resume. Thank you and good luck. A small note to parents who are around with your children this morning. Parents are encouraged to use parental filters, child safety settings on the chosen device for learning. You can also consider turning on safety mode on websites like Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, etc. to prevent your children from viewing unsuitable content by accident. Learning never stops at Euroschool and we will ensure that our children continue to learn and discover themselves through our virtual school and digital initiatives. We seek and appreciate your wholehearted engagement and support in driving our vision of sustained learning and success for all our students. This is how you can contribute to reinventing education and the future of learning for our children. We wish all our dear students and staff and parents the very best for virtual Euroschool. Stay home, stay safe, continue learning. Thank you.